So we're gonna be back at it today, but the Camaro has been sitting in the rain for the past 3-4 days and I haven't started it. It's been pretty cold, so we'll see if we can get this started. I need to open up the garage door first. Not that one. Well, I'm sitting here waiting on the Camaro to warm up. Figure I'd give you a little detail. So that's 2000. We're just gonna end up pulling the motor and trans out of that. So if you need anything for an S2000, he's probably got it, probably willing to let it go for a pretty decent price. So hit us up. He's got it. This should be back together this weekend. Hopefully. Just reassembly. Taking off the timing cover, getting all that off, hopefully swap the cam out, and then start reassembly. Whole lot of beer and a whole lot of work. We'll see where we can get. Where are we at, Brandon?
Pulling time cover off.
How was getting the pulley off?
Golly, boy, I tell you what, that was a nightmare. There's a lot of things I never want to do in my life again, and that's one of them.
Well, it's day 2 of since the car's been down since like April. May. And now that I'm here, we're actually getting some progress done. Hopefully we'll have the cam in soon. That's why I'm here. Alright, let's get some stuff done. Alright, didn't get it on camera, but the cam is in. Now it's just time to put all this shit back in. I wasn't expecting you to hit the deck. Are you not smiling? This is what Jesus would drive. What's up, guys? So thanks for watching. First of all, if you made it this far, I greatly appreciate it. Little bad news. So the first night we took the Corvette out, just grabbed a bite to eat, you know, a little celebration for finally getting it finished, and drove great. Everything went fine. Temperatures were excellent. Everything was just perfect. The next night we went to run some stuff back to the parts store. Got about a mile and a half from the house, like 3 minutes maybe, not that much, and started spewing white smoke. Things were not looking good. We got it back to the house. Turns out, yes, we did blow a head gasket. there was oil and coolant mixed everywhere. So we stripped it all down, pulled both heads back off, spent all day cleaning that up, and then we went ahead and swapped out, got new head gaskets, and then switched over to some ARP bolts to get rid of those stretch bolts. And we figured maybe an oil change or two just to flush all the mixed oil and coolant out of the system. Well, after the second oil change, we pulled the valve cover off the passenger side where we suspected was the bad side, and sure enough there was still fresh coolant puddled up inside the head. So we just quit there. Gonna take the passenger side head to a machine shop hopefully and see if maybe that's the problem. If it is, good, we can get that fixed, throw it back on and get the car running again. But first of all, thanks for watching if you made it this far. Greatly appreciate it. Just trying to share our love for cars here. And if you like the video, I'll be sure to keep it up. I've got a lot of free time now. Like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.